In this video we are going to teach you how to perform an adaptive pressure control learn on a 2019 Chevrolet Impala using the X-431 throttle. On the home screen select X-431 throttle. When the diagnostic app loads, select Diagnose. Next select Auto Detect. To continue select Diagnostic. Select System Selection. From the system list select Electronic Brake Control Module. Select Special Functions. Select Adaptive Pressure Control Learn. A screen with the procedure instructions will appear. Please read and follow. Select OK to continue. Once complete select OK. And that's how to perform an adaptive pressure control learn on a 2019 Chevrolet Impala.